Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix it when your iPhone won't enter recovery mode. Recovery mode allows you to perform some key actions to let your iPhone boot up without any interference when it's malfunctioning. So, entering recovery mode is one of the go-to troubleshooting steps to fix iPhone system issues caused by corrupted system files or software conflicts and open a locked iPhone when it becomes unavailable or disabled. But what if your iPhone won't go into recovery mode at all? By doing the right button presses, the iPhone turns off, shows the Apple logo and is supposed to get into recovery mode. However, when the laptop with a lightning cord icon is supposed to come up, your phone just keeps skipping over the manual recovery mode, restarting to Apple logo and powering back on instead. You might be wondering, why can't I get my iPhone into recovery mode? And how to fix it? Keep watching, and this video will lead you to the answers. Why can't you get your iPhone into recovery mode? The reason could be that the important system files necessary to recovery mode get corrupted or lost or fail to load. Sometimes, the glitched iOS system should be responsible for iPhone not entering recovery mode problems. An old iOS software version, where the conflicts tend to emerge from the settings and other apps, is also a possible reason why you're unable to get into recovery mode. If one of the buttons on your iPhone, like volume, home, and power button, is broken or stuck, it could also lead to such an issue. Now, follow me to try the troubleshooting ways of how to fix an iPhone that won't enter recovery mode. Don't worry if you're a novice of digital devices or a new iPhone user. We'll introduce all the methods step by step to make it easy to learn. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Enter recovery mode with correct button presses. First of all, take 1 minute to go through the correct procedure to put an iPhone into recovery mode manually. Ranging from iPhone 6s to the new iPhone 15, you'll learn a full guide to boot into recovery mode. Get a working USB cable. Get a Windows or a Mac laptop or desktop. Download iTunes, Finder or Apple Devices app on your computer. Get your iPhone. Once you've prepared everything, now let's start. Run iTunes, Finder or Apple Devices app on your computer. Connect your iPhone to the computer with an Apple-certified USB cable. Depending on your iPhone model, you'll need to follow different steps to enter recovery mode. If you're using an iPhone 8 and later models, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. If you're using an iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the side button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. If you're using an iPhone 6s and earlier models, press and hold the home button and the side, or top, button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. Now, see if your iPhone enters recovery mode successfully. Force restart your iPhone to remove bugs. So, you know you're pressing the button combination and other steps correctly and succeeded many times on other iPhones. However, you're still unable to enter recovery mode on your current iPhone. Then, there could be something wrong with the operating system like unexpected bugs or errors. That said, you can remedy them by doing a force restart. To force reboot an iPhone 8, iPhone 10, or later iPhone models, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. To force reboot an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the volume down button and side button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. To force reboot an iPhone 6s or older iPhone models, press and hold both the home button and the sleep or wake button. Continue holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. After your iPhone boots up, connect your iPhone to a computer to enter recovery mode again. If the software bugs are the cause, you should be able to access the recovery mode now. Download and install the latest iOS software on your iPhone. iPhone won't get into recovery mode and return to the Apple logo screen to start up due to an outdated iOS software. To rule out this possibility, try to update the iOS through the Settings app. Open the Settings app, tap on General, choose Software Update. Your iPhone will start checking if there's an update available. If there is, it'll prompt you to download and install an update to upgrade the iOS system. Just press the Download and Install option. Finish the on-screen instructions to trigger the update process to start. After your iPhone turns on after the update, follow the right manual steps to go into recovery mode again to test if it works right now. If you can't access the phone because it's frozen or locked, move to the next solution. Attempt DFU mode. None of the steps above work to get your iPhone into recovery mode? Then, consider attempting the DFU mode to solve your phone problems. It's a deeper mode than recovery mode to wipe the device and refresh the iOS firmware. Go and confirm that you have recent backups for your device data before attempting. Next, we'll show you how to do that. Connect your iPhone to a computer with a cord and run iTunes or Finder. Follow these instructions to enter DFU mode. If you're using an iPhone 8 and later models, quickly press and release the volume up button and volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button until the screen goes black. While still holding the side button, press and hold the volume down button as well. Keep holding both buttons for 5 seconds. Then, release the side button but continue holding the volume down button for another 10 seconds. If the screen stays black, your device is now in DFU mode. If you're using an iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, hold down the power button and drag the power off slider to the right to turn off your device. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for 8 seconds. Then, release the power button but continue holding the volume down button for another 5 seconds. If the screen stays black, your device is now in DFU mode. If you're using an iPhone 6s and earlier models, hold down the power button and drag the power off slider to the right to turn off your device. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. Then, press and hold the home button while still holding the power button for 10 seconds. Then, release the power button but continue holding the home button for another 5 seconds. If the screen stays black, your device is now in DFU mode. If you see any logos or messages on the screen, you may need to start over. Then, go to the iTunes or Finder screen. Click Restore and Update and reset your phone to fix the iPhone not going into recovery mode issue. Wait for the process to complete and set up your phone to use it again once done. If you can't get into recovery mode on iPhone because of the damaged buttons or other components, go to the Apple Repair Store to have it fixed. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix an iPhone that won't go into recovery mode. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back to working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel Quora Radar for more tech-related content. Until next time.